I am Dr. Swachla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Can abnormal thyroid levels cause miscarriages and complicate pregnancy? Yes, abnormal thyroid levels, both hypothyroidism, which is low thyroid hormones, and hyperthyroidism, high thyroid hormone, can increase the risk of miscarriage and complicate your pregnancy. Let's find out how. So, what does the thyroid do? The thyroid gland produces hormones, mainly T3, T4, and it regulates metabolism. Not only that, it also plays a very important role in reproductive health, especially in the early stages of pregnancy. How does this hormone support your pregnancy? First of all, reproductive health. So, ovulation, your egg to be released in a proper way. Endometrial receptivity, if your endometrium is ready for the embryo implantation also, early fetal brain development also. So hypothyroidism or low thyroid function can cause miscarriages. Let's find out how. By hormonal imbalance. Low thyroid hormone disrupts ovulation and the menstrual cycle. Inadequate hormone levels can prevent proper endometrial development, reducing the chances of embryo implantation. There is an increased risk of miscarriage also. If pregnancy does occur, low T4 levels can support the early development of the embryo. Fetus relies heavily on maternal thyroid hormones for the first 10 to 12 weeks. Thyroid autoimmunity is also an issue. For example, Hashimoto's thyroiditis. Even if hormone levels are normal in this condition, thyroid antibodies or TPOAB are linked to high miscarriage risk. It's possibly due to autoimmune inflammation affecting the placenta or the embryo. So, how does hyperthyroidism, on the other hand, or an overactive thyroid be harmful? How can it be harmful? High levels of T3 and T4 can lead to increased metabolism and heart rate, uterine contractions and poor placental development, also a risk of early pregnancy loss, preterm birth and preeclampsia or hypertension during pregnancy. It can lead to Graves' disease, autoimmune hyperthyroidism, also called as. It may also affect the fetus as antibodies can cross the placenta. So there is another variety called as subclinical thyroid dysfunction. So even mild thyroid imbalance, which is normal T4 but abnormal TSH, elevated TSH, is associated with infertility, higher miscarriage rate, especially this is very important in IVF and early pregnancy planning. So what are the tests and treatment options? TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, has to be tested. Free T4, T3 and thyroid antibodies, TPOAB, also has to be tested. Target TSH in pregnancy. So ideally around less than 2.5 milli international units per liter is the ideal level of TSH in first trimester. Levothyroxine for hypothyroidism is safe and effective in pregnancy. But remember that you cannot take these medications on your own. Consult a gynecologist, obstetrician or an endocrinologist when you are diagnosed as hyper or hypothyroid patient. If you wish to know more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.